there's no conflict, there's no negative interaction. Everybody's on the same page. We need you for this. I don't know. Okay, I'll do it. That's the thing. That's where TV, I feel like, does a better job than movies sometimes. Is if the ask is, we need this, or can you do this, that's when you cut to commercial. That's when you cut to something else. You come back and they will either answer the demand, or they will have, we're on our way because they have answered the demand. If you have the setup and the payoff of something big, especially plot wise, in the same scene, what's the point of having an additional, like, what's the point? What are we doing here? Like, and it's fine to have that occasionally, because some people, you just go, hey, can you do this for me? And they go, yeah. But a lot of times they don't. So to have it happen, let's see, 1, 2 with the hippogriff guy, 3 with the spider lady, and so 3. It happens 3 times in a row. It happens almost a third of the movie, where somebody goes, "Can you do this for me?" And then they go, "Hold on, okay, yeah, I've decided yes." I think the only time where it's not directly in the same exact scene is the spider lady, because she has to first fight the spider lady thing, the Jedi. I don't know. So you can, yeah, don't say, "Will you hold my baby?" and then the very next scene is, the end of that scene is, okay, now I'm holding the baby. Now I've holded the baby. Now I'm holding the baby. Like, you can't, you got to go, "Will you hold my baby?" Cut to something else, because there's tension there. There's a lot of people are like, "I'm not touching your baby. What are you talking about? Your baby's covered in poo. You're going across the galaxy. What is on your baby?" And then the next scene, you got baby poo all over your face, and you're holding the baby. Like, that's the bit. That's the comedy version. That's also the dramatic version.